Exam Part 2 English. Expect direct indirect questions and answers. Question number 1. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? Answer is 2. He asked Ravi why he was sounding so depressed that day. Question number 2. He asked me, what time will the sun set tomorrow? Answer is 3. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. Question number 3. Tinu, where have you been all these days? Asked the principal. Answer is 1. The principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. Question number, have you finished your assignment, Meenu? Said her brother. Answer is 3. Meenu's brother asked her if she had finished her assignment. Question number 5. He says, I go for a walk every morning. Answer is 1. He says that he goes for a walk every morning. Question number 6. The principal said, why didn't you attend the flag hoisting ceremony, Anuj? Answer is 4. The principal asked Anuj why he didn't attend the flag hoisting ceremony. Question number 7. I said to him, where have you lost the pen I brought for you yesterday? Answer is 3. I asked him where he had lost the pen I had brought for him the previous day. Question number 8. He said, Garima wants to take up a job while her husband wants her to look after the family. Answer is 1. He said that Garima wanted to take up a job while her husband wanted her to look after the family. Question number 9. She said, when I was a child, I wasn't afraid of ghosts. Answer is 3. She said that when she was a child she wasn't afraid of ghosts. Question number 10. He said, Reena, do you want to buy a house in Noida? Answer is 4. He asked Reena if she wanted to buy a house in Noida. Question number 11. I said to my friend, can I borrow your dictionary for one day? Answer is 1. I asked my friend if I could borrow his dictionary for one day. Question number 12. He said, let Hari come with us, mother. I'll take care of him. Answer is 3. He told his mother to let Hari come with them as he would take care of him. Question number 13. No, said the child, I won't kneel, for if I do, I shall spoil my new pair of trousers. Answer is 3. The child said that he would not kneel, for if he did so he would spoil his new pair of trousers. Question number 14. The chairman of the selection committee said, we shall finalize the rest of our team after we have selected the skipper. Answer is 4. The chairman of the selection committee said that they would finalize the rest of their team after they had selected the skipper. Question number 15. He said, has anybody been unkind to you? Answer is 1. He asked me if anybody had been unkind to me. Question number 16. The pilot said, please don't panic but tighten your seat belts. Answer is 4. The pilot told the passengers not to panic but to tighten their seat belts. Question number 17. He said, Ravi, why are you sounding so depressed today? Answer is 2. He asked Ravi why he was sounding so depressed that day. Question number 18. I shall remain here and the tailor won't be able to find me, said she. Answer is 3. She said that she would remain there and the tailor would not be able to find her. Question number 19. Mother said, Gaurav, you will be eligible for voting when you are 18. Answer is 1. Mother told Gaurav he would be eligible for voting when he was 18. Question number 20. He said, bravo, you have done well. Answer is 4. He applauded him, saying that he had done well. Question number 21. He said to me, you are getting lazy day by day. Answer is 3. He told me that I was getting lazy day by day. Question number 22. When will I be able to vote? I asked my mother. Answer is 3. I asked my mother when I would be able to vote. Question number 23. I said, Father, when will you buy me a motorcycle? Answer is 4. I asked my father when he would buy me a motorcycle. Question number 24. He said to me, is there any possibility of my getting promoted this year? Answer is 3. He asked me if there was any possibility of his getting promotion that year. Question number 25. The dealer said, either make your purchases or walk out of my shop. Answer is 3. The dealer told the customer that he should either make his purchases or walk out of his shop. Question number 26. He said, I do not wish to see any of you, go away. Answer is 2. He said that he did not wish to see any of them and ordered them to go away. Question number 27. he said to us, why are you all sitting about there doing nothing? Answer is, 3. He asked us why we were all sitting about there doing nothing. Question number 28. May you live long and prosper, said the old lady to her son. Answer is, 3. The old lady prayed for her son and said that he might live long and prosper. Question number 29. Many happy returns of your birthday, we said. Answer is, 3. We wished him many happy returns of his birthday. Question number 30. 5. A soldier and afraid of fighting, said Babur. Answer is, 4. Babur cursed and exclaimed that a soldier should not be afraid of fighting. Question number 31. He said to Sita, when do you intend to pay back the money you borrowed from me? Answer is, 3. He inquired Sita when she intended to pay back the money she had borrowed from him. Question number 32. So help me heaven, he cried, I will never steal again. Answer is, 4. He called upon heaven to witness his resolve never to steal again. Question number 33. She said, I'll give you 100 to keep your mouth shut. Answer is, 4. She proposed that she would give him 100 to keep his mouth shut. Question number 34. Doctor, the patient cried, please tell me how much time I have. Answer is, 3. The patient pleaded with the doctor to tell her how much time she had. Question number 35. Let's give a party, said Jaya. Let's not, said her husband. Answer is, 2. Jaya suggested giving a party but her husband opposed the idea. Question number 36. He said to her, did it shake you up as much as it shook me? Answer is, 4. He asked her if it had shaken her up as it had shaken him. Question number 37. The chief minister said, what a disaster the earthquake is. Answer is, 3. The chief minister exclaimed with sorrow that the earthquake was a terrible disaster. Question number 38. I said to her, all your faults will be pardoned if you confess them. Answer is, 2. I told her that all her faults would be pardoned if she confessed them. Question number 39. The teacher said to the student, why were you absent yesterday? Answer is, 4. The teacher asked the student why he had been absent the previous day. Question number 40. From one of the windows of my flat I can see the Qutub Minar, said my friend. Answer is, 3. My friend said that from one of the windows of his flat he could see the Qutub Minar. Question number 41. Shankar said to his friend, look out. There is a snake behind you. Answer is, 2. Shankar exclaimed to his friend with surprise that there was a snake behind him. Question number 42. The teacher said to Ram, would you like to go on a trip to Kashmir? Ram said, yes. Answer is, 4. The teacher asked Ram if he would like to go on a trip to Kashmir and Ram replied in the affirmative. Question number 43. I suppose, your children go out for a nice long walk, she said. Answer is, 4. She suggested that the children should go out for a nice long walk. Question number 44. Everybody said, how well she sings. Answer is, 3. Everybody exclaimed that she sang very well. Question number 45. The old man of Latur said, alas, my only son is dead. Answer is, 1. The old man of Latur exclaimed with sorrow that his only son was dead. Question number 46. I said, let Mohan do his worst, he cannot harm me. Answer is, 4. I declared that though Mohan might do his worst, he could not harm me. Question number 47. Call the first witness, said the judge. Answer is, 1. The judge commanded to call the first witness. Question number 48. The queen said to her son, you must go to the forest and remain there till your father calls you back. Answer is, 2. The queen told her son that he must go to the forest and remain there till his father called him back. Question number 49. I said, when it gets dark, light the lantern and hang it out. Answer is, 3. I said that when it got dark he should light the lantern and hang it out. Question number 50. The teacher said to Ashok, I shall report the matter to the principal if you misbehave again. Answer is, 2. The teacher warned Ashok that he would report the matter to the principal if he misbehaved again.